Well, for a couple of weeks now, we've been picking strawberries and enjoying them and enjoying the strawberry shortcakes we make. So I just thought I'd do a quick video about, how we do the simple shortcakes, and probably most of you do it already, so it won't be new to you. But you can see every couple of days we do get a bowl full of berries there to eat. Some go in the freezer, and some we cut up and put a little sugar on them if you want. We really don't put much on them because ours are pretty sweet, but we just cut them up and use them for strawberry shortcakes and things like that. Now we go with the Bisquick recipe. It's on the side of the Bisquick container, and it's really simple. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of butter, a little bit of milk, and some Bisquick, and I mean, that's a strawberry shortcake. Now you can go in the store, you can buy them, and they get like $5 for 6 little biscuits like this, so it's easier to make them. And you can see my wife puts a butter in the microwave at about a 30% power level for a minute to melt it down and get it ready to go. And I'll just print out the recipe here. This is right off the Bisquick. You start with the 2 1/3 cups of the Bisquick mix, which we always buy these giant boxes at Costco when they're on sale, because we do use it for a lot of muffins and stuff like that. And this is really pretty much our favorite little cake crunch with strawberries. Really simple to make. A little bit of milk. There goes the sugar, and then some milk and some butter, and whip it all up. And my wife actually got that new little thing for whipping up doughs and stuff like that a couple months ago off of Amazon. She loves it, so she said I should put a link to it because it's really handy for little doughs and batches like this and stuff, cookies and things like that. So then all you have to do is just get a cookie sheet, and we put parchment paper down, and just try to divide that out to 6 equal size piles here. And they don't have to be, identical, but get them as close as you can. And you don't have to flatten them or anything like this. This is nothing fancy. This is the hillbilly style, I guess I'll call it. And, that size batch just makes 6 perfect little biscuits or muffins or whatever you want to call them for us. And then just scrape that little bit that's left out of there. And there you can see just how easy these things are to make, how little they take to make. And, with the cost of gasoline, it just doesn't pay to drive to the store to get a couple of shortcakes anymore when you can make them up. And, there's that tool. I'll put a link to it because she really likes it, whatever the heck it is. But it's made for mixing up doughs and stuff like that.
And the bowl scraper's coming in.
And there it is, right on the side of the Bisquick box. So, it should be on everybody's box if you do use this stuff. And it's time to preheat the oven. Well, she started that one. She started mixing it up. And then I think it was like 12 minutes she set the timer for.
12 minutes, starting now.
And turned out at the end of 12 minutes, she...
Echo. Stop timer.
Went in to check them, and let's see, she pulls out that magic finger that doesn't burn.
Nope.
And nope, we need another 2 minutes, she said. Go back in the oven 2 more minutes just to let them finish off. And then we got to check them again. Somehow that finger knows exactly when they're done. Nope, need another minute. And let's see, this time they're perfect. Alright, so there they are, a couple minutes later. Got these little shortcakes. Well, not really shortcakes, but they're just little biscuits. They're not real sweet or anything. They're just perfect for under the strawberries. And then parchment paper makes it real easy to clean up. Just, take them off, put them on a rack, let them cool, and throw the parchment paper away, and that's pretty much all the mess you wind up with. So in the meantime, today they had a special at our local IGA. They had a chicken, the back quarters with the legs and stuff, there for 69 cents a pound. So I ran up and grabbed 35 pounds of that, and I got some on the grill tonight. So that's kind of what we're having for dinner. Having a barbecue chicken, twice baked potato there with all kinds of broccoli and bacon and stuff on it. And the worst corn I've ever had. I picked up that corn at IGA and it tastes like cow corn, but oh well, everything else was really good. And here I got some sour cream on it to finish off the potato. Now it's time to do up the strawberry shortcake, and I just take the muffin, cut it in half, and you probably shouldn't cut towards your hand like I do, but I'm a trained professional, so I get away with it. And just throw a couple strawberries on it. And then if you can, get some of that juice that's in the bottom there and put that on the biscuit. That really makes it taste good. And then we're lazy. We used to whip cream up, but you know, it doesn't last in the fridge and stuff like that. And we started buying these cans. And this stuff really works good. Tastes good and comes out fast, and it doesn't go bad. You can keep a can in the refrigerator all the time. And there it is. It ain't so pretty, but boy did it taste good. You can see my food photography really kind of stinks. So I just thought I'd share this, and you know, if you want a cheap way to make these little biscuits, this is it. A little bit of Bisquick and a couple other things, and pretty soon you've got a to finish off a nice meal with a strawberry shortcake. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.